Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to hide apps. Firstly, let's use home screen settings to hide apps. Let's go to settings and now go to home screen. Go to hide apps. And select apps you would like to hide. Tap done and it's set. Next, you can go to Security and Privacy. You can select Secure Folder. Continue. Select password for your secure folder. And now tap next, tap plus, and now add apps to secure folder. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.